This question has existed longer than the internet, and somehow we're still fighting about it. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This question has ended friendships. It has ruined family dinners. It has been asked by philosophers, scientists, and that one guy in your group chat at 2 a.m. Let's break it down. First, Team Egg. A lot of people say, obviously the egg came first. And honestly, fair. Dinosaurs were laying eggs millions of years before chickens even existed. So eggs clearly had a head start. But here's the catch. Those weren't chicken eggs. Those were eggs. Reptile eggs. Dinosaur eggs. Very aggressive-looking eggs. So the question isn't, which came first, egg or chicken? It's actually, which came first, the chicken or the chicken egg? And now things get spicy. Then, Team Chicken. Okay, so how do you get a chicken? Evolution. A long time ago, there was a bird that was almost a chicken. Like, 99.9% chicken. Basically a chicken in denial. That almost chicken laid an egg. Inside that egg, thanks to tiny genetic changes, was the first true chicken. Meaning, drum roll, please drum. The egg came first. But wait, don't celebrate yet. Because that egg was laid by a bird that was not a chicken. So was it really a chicken egg? Or just an egg that happened to contain a chicken? See, we're back to arguing. Philosophy has entered the chat. Aristotle thought the chicken came first. Because in his mind, the complete thing has to exist before it can reproduce. Basically, no chicken eggs. Which sounds logical, until you remember evolution exists. Sorry, Aristotle. You were smart, but you didn't know about DNA yet. Science has entered the chat with receipts. Modern biology says the egg came first. Why? Because mutations happened during reproduction. That means the genetic change that created the first chicken had to appear inside an egg. That egg was laid by a not-quite chicken. So the first chicken hatched from an egg laid by something that would be extremely offended if you called it a chicken. Therefore, heavy checkmark egg came first. Heavy checkmark chicken came from egg. Heavy checkmark everyone is mad. But wait, plot twist. Some people argue the chicken came first because a chicken egg is defined as an egg laid by a chicken. And that egg was laid by a bird that was not technically a chicken. So the first chicken egg only appeared after the first chicken existed. Meaning, drum another drum roll drum. The chicken came first. And now nobody is happy. So what's the answer? The correct answer depends on how annoying you want to be. If you're talking biology, egg. If you're talking definitions, chicken. If you're talking at a party, congratulations, nobody invited you back. The real winner here is the egg. Because it managed to exist before chickens, confuse humanity for thousands of years, and still not explain itself. Iconic behavior. Final answer. So which came first? The egg, but not a chicken egg. Except kind of, unless you define it differently. In which case, the chicken. And that's why humanity is still arguing. Thanks for listening. If this broke your brain, hit like. If you're still mad, subscribe.